addition to our angle grinder range, Fein also produce machines specifically designed for stainless steel finishing applications. We have two belt polishing or belt grinding machines, the RS 1270, which I have here, and another machine, the RS 1070 for smaller diameter pipes. We also have the KS 1038E, which is the variable speed fillet weld grinder with adjustable head. The WPO 1425E, again variable speed grinder, but now fitted with burnishing wheels. Finally, our variable speed angle grinder, the WSG 1770E or 1770 Inox, specifically designed for stainless steel.